is in custody, what do you want to hear from her? Or what do you expect from her, sir?
Those are two very different questions. What I want to hear from her is for her to lay out exactly how these POGOs became such a large, it's basically a criminal enterprise. And as mayor, for her to say she did not know this was going on, is very difficult to believe. Because as a former local government executive, it seems impossible that an operation that is a few hundred meters away from my own office, na hindi ko alam yung nangyayari doon, illegal na ganitong kalaki na operation. Kaya sana may paliwanag na kung bakit hindi niya alam. Kung paano bilang isang mayor na hindi niya malaman kung ano yung nangyayari doon sa bayan niya na ganyang kalaki na problema. Tapos marami pa siyang kasagutin. Paano siya yumaman ng ganyan? Ba't ang dami-dami ng pera? Paano siya naging mayor na hindi naman sa kilala ng tiga doon? All of these things. There are many. All these questions have actually been asked by both the House and the Senate. I just hope she answers it better than her cohorts. Sina Casantoong at saka sina Silong. Very evasive makasagot. Sana naman mabuti-buti ang sagot ni Alice Go as compared sa mga kasamahan niya. Because it will not help her at all to be evasive. Mas bibigat ang magiging problema niya kung hindi siya magsabi ng
Mr. President, is there a demand from the Indonesian government? Kasi there were reports na swap ng prisoner. Is there such?
Wala naman nag-swap. Walang swap.
No demand?
Yeah. No, there is there was, because lumabas sa isang article sa Indonesia na dapat mag-swap. Pero hindi official yun. So, no, but well, it was, I can explain to you, hindi naging simple ang pag-uwi ni Alice Go dito sa Pilipinas. It wasn't simple at all. We were negotiating very intricate, very sensitive and very delicate details for the last, maybe 48 hours. Kinakausap natin mga kaibigan natin sa Indonesia. Mabuti na lang, marami tayong naging kaibigan na dahil sa pagpunta ko, pagpunta ko sa mga iba't ibang bansa, Indonesia being one of them, at maging malapit kami ni President Jokowi, naging bahagi yun. At kahit na hindi ganun kasimple ang pag-transfer, na ating pakiusapan naman natin ng mga kaibigan natin sa Indonesia na bayaan ng Pilipinas, kunin na siya at iuwi siya dito sa Pilipinas.